So yeah, I got these eyelid pieces for the headlights, and I don't know, I bought them. They used to be carbon fiber. I actually like ended up painting them and messing them up. Wasn't sure about the look, to be honest. When I put them onto the headlights, it was like looking kind of silly. But after looking at a few more pictures, I kind of want to try it again. So I'm gonna hit it with some sandpaper and I guess gonna try to paint it again. Yeah, what do you guys think? So yeah, this is the paint I use. It's a dupli-color, graphite metallic. You can get it at most auto stores. So yeah, with spray cans, you always want to warm them up a little bit so it sprays better. Yeah, I actually glued this wooden stick to the backs so I can like hang it and paint it. Yeah, this is my favorite spray to use before you paint. So it cleans the surface and removes like all the grease, oils. Yeah, it's really good. Now I can take these into my paint booth and hit them with some spray paint. So yeah, this is what it looks like, ready for painting. Yeah, I'm actually super happy with how these turned out. The paint looks really good and yeah, it's ready to be installed. Let's take a look. Once you apply silicone, you should use masking tape to hold it down while it's curing, just like this. Finally got it done. This is what it looks like right now. Just gonna let it sit for like 20 minutes or so, and should be good to go.